guys, today we're at Cedar Point. It's a little later in the day. We got here at about 4 o'clock. Wait times are really low, so I'm very excited to be here today. The operations on GateKeeper are looking phenomenal. Like the second that the train hits the mid-course brake run, they're like launching it out of the station, sending it up the lift hill. Very good operation so far. There it is, the new Cedar Point Boardwalk. I am actually more excited than I should be about a spinning wild mouse by Zamperla, but at the same time, it's a new coaster. Can't be mad at a new coaster. It's a little disappointing that that's technically what is Wicked Twister's replacement. This is the new and coming area where Wild Mouse is gonna be, right over here. This is where the pavilion's gonna be. There it is, GateKeeper. Gonna go look at the wait time. Says it's about 10 minutes. It looks like it's a walk-on, which is awesome. Just got off the GateKeeper, waited like 5 minutes. Excellent, excellent ride. And literally, no wait, it was awesome. Next up is Raptor. Rules the sky. 15-minute wait. Not bad. Last time I was here, I waited 3 hours for Raptor. So I rode back row on GateKeeper, now I'm doing back row on Raptor. Last time I was here, I did front on both, so kind of fun to do something different this time. Back is always more intense, so I'm definitely excited for this. Just got off of Raptor, waited like 10 minutes. Despite the slight delay, it's definitely more intense than GateKeeper. But I think I like GateKeeper more. Its gracefulness almost adds a little bit of charm to it that I really like. Blue Streak is listed as only a 5-minute wait. Gonna go hop on that, really taking advantage of all these short wait times at the front of the park. I don't even need to head to the back yet because there's so many great rides with no waits up here. I mean, they're sending half-full trains. That's how little people they have. Just got off of Blue Streak, keeping it consistent with the back row rides, although I forgot it was Blue Streak. Back row rides on Blue Streak are quite bumpy. It was all right though. It's a classic, but you know, it was a little too much for me. Gonna hop on Valravn. Looks like it's about a 30-minute wait, which is not bad at all. So, looking forward to this. Gonna try and get back row on this as well. Super excited to be getting on Valravn again. I love B&M dive coasters. I know that's an unpopular opinion. They're often considered one-trick ponies, but Griffin and Valravn, Yukon Striker are all dive coasters I've done, and they are some of my favorite rides at their parks. I get it, they're short rides, but they're smooth, they're fast, great inversions. Love this ride. Just got the back row on Valravn. About to get on. It was maybe a 15-20 minute wait. I know I kind of already said it, but I'm gonna say it again. Fast, smooth, and fun. It is on the shorter side, and I understand that, but honestly, I feel like it's like I'm trying to think. It's like one of those mini cupcakes, right? It's really good. It's really sweet. But it's like one is enough and one is super good. That's what I liken it to, you know? Steel Vengeance is like a giant peach pie with a side of ice cream. It's awesome, and you could eat like 20 of them if you're hungry enough. But there's something about that little cupcake, man. I just made my way over to Millennium Forest. It's been about 10 minutes. We have waited, and we're almost on. Back row again. This is the 5th ride I've done today. Only been here 2 hours. It's awesome. You're ready.
Let's do this.
What'd you think?
Great first ride of the day.
Well, for him, yeah.
20 minutes.
That's...
come on.
Millennium Forceless is not a fair
If
nickname.
I didn't ride another thing today, I'd be happy.
Well,
me and Evan are doing it.
You know, we're making our way along the beach over to the Lake Erie Luau. It's Cedar Point's take on a Hawaiian dining experience. We're gonna go take a look at what food offerings that they have. Here it is. It is $1 sand per item. Soft drinks included from 6 to 9, and drinks are till 11. This is the menu. You want to pause and take a look at it. You can buy 1 for 6, 5 for 27, and 8 for 40. Dad's going with 8 for 40. He convinced him, so you know.
Well, I mean, the portions are small. Dad's a smart man.
Dad is a smart man. So here's your sand pouch. Let's look at these sand dollars.
The sand dollars are...
The sand dollars. Oh,
wooden
yeah. Here is all of the tables lined up. You can get different food offerings from each one. I'm gonna show you guys the food offerings they got. Here's a closer look at these sand dollars. Lake Erie Luau. Cedar Point Nights. Oh, yeah. Right off the bat, we got the steak skewer. Looks like you got some red peppers, pineapple, steak, onions. Looks really, really good. It is really good. You gotta try this.
Do I like try it all? Like together?
Yeah.
Steak, pepper, pineapple.
Good.
Not bad.
Roasted steak and vegetable skewer was great. We're gonna move on to the second one. Try something from this table. There we go. We just got this from the second booth. It's the Caribbean jerk chicken with a pineapple sauce on top. Dad's gonna take the first bite.
There we go. Spicy.
Oh. This is booth 3. They got chicken tenders, walleye bites, and fried yellow perch street tacos. We're gonna try these street tacos. We got these delicious looking perch street tacos and these fried walleye bites.
What do you want to try first?
Let's try it. Let's go one on these walleye bites. This hot sauce. Not bad.
Straight from Lake Erie.
Gonna bite out of this perch taco.
Is it everything you ever dreamed of?
It's sweet, crunchy.
This definitely, the perch street tacos is the best so far. For sure.
I'll keep eating it myself. Just got the Ohio's famous Polish boy hot dog with fries, coleslaw, and hot sauce on a potato bun. You ready for this?
Yeah, for a nap after too.
For sure. Now I got the pineapple coconut cheesecake with whipped cream. Looks awesome. Dad's gonna be taking a bite. You ready?
We got a little bit of everything. Not a big dessert fan, but pretty good.
I'm the wizard of love, and I got the magic wand. All these things keep spinning like the
Small fire for such a big hit.
I know. It should be like a bonfire or something. About to go hop on Magnum after we just ate a bunch of food. Should be fun, right? Well, change of plans. Magnum is delayed for maintenance, so actually, we're gonna head over to Steel Vengeance, which has a listed wait of 15 minutes, which is insane if it's true. Well, you know, gotta see it to believe it, but Oh my god. Alright, putting you in the locker. See you on the other side. Just speechless. Quite honestly, might be the perfect roller coaster. Like, I'm not kidding. It's amazing. We waited like 45 minutes for it too, which is awesome. So, really happy about this. Definitely getting quieter as the night goes on. It's a little darker too. Gonna make for some good night rides in a bit. Gemini has reopened, so we bolted over here after getting on Steel Vengeance, or getting off Steel Vengeance rather. It's a 5-minute wait. Haven't done this in the dark in a while, so pretty excited for this. What do you think of Gemini?
Man, it's been a while. It was smoother than I thought it would be.
And it's even smoother in the front, but we rode in the back. So, yeah. Next time, I mean, Gemini is definitely a front row ride, so. Only a few rides do I enjoy as much as Magnum. Look at that, the flash kind of lights the sign up. That's pretty cool. Oh. Honestly, despite its age, this coaster is still phenomenal. And I know that it sounds like I'm saying that about every ride, and that's because it's true. But this ride, man, the ending with like all the airtime hills, it's like, it's crazy. And I think too, the whole, just like theming of it, I don't know, it reminds me of like Space Mountain or something. It's so cool. Something about Frontier Town at night, it's just so ominous, and the ambiance is so cool. And I think that's why when they do their like little Halloween thing, why it's such a popular area of the park for people to be in, because at night it already feels kind of scary. Maverick unfortunately is still down. Hopefully it will reopen. The park is open for about another hour and 45 minutes. If it doesn't, we could always get another ride another day, and we'll be able to finish off the night with hopefully Millennium Force, because Millennium Force at night is just brilliant. So here we go. 30-minute wait, not too shabby. Wow. Wow. Night rides on Steel Vengeance are awesome. Hey guys, so never mind about the train. Maverick just reopened because we just heard it launch by, and the park's only open for like another hour. So you know what? Let's get on Maverick. We haven't done this today, and this is like probably second or third best ride in the park. So, oh, wow! It has been a hot minute since I have gotten a night ride on Steel Vengeance and Maverick back to back, and then also have a chance to go ride Millennium Force. But besides that, Maverick is insane, first of all, but at night, it's 10 times better. 10 times better. Feels faster, feels more intense. The lighting effects are awesome. I don't know, it's so cool. Here we come, Millie. We're on our way. Running through Frontier Trail to get to Millennium Force. This is one of my favorite parts in the whole park. It's only like 3 rides in the whole little, you know, themed area, but I don't know, man, it's just so cool. You got the glass blowing theater, you got the little boat making shop. It's so charming. And it's Cedar Point's take on a Frontier, you know, style area, just like, you know, Frontierland, and I think they do a good job. It's Cedar Point's own way of doing things, and I think they did it pretty well. Millennium Force is less than a 15-minute wait. So cool. Now that is awesome. Not one person in line. 2 people. 2 people. There it is, the tip of Millennium Force. I cannot wait to ride this at night. This is gonna be so cool. Just got a night ride on the one and only Millennium Force. all of the bugs on the sign actually symbolize your face if you rode in the front seat. Hopefully, I didn't ride in the front seat. We rode near the middle. Normally with Millennium Force, I actually like the middle. I feel like you get a good mix of airtime compared to the front and back. I don't know. That's just me personally. But great ride. I actually think I like the ride I got earlier today better than the night ride, but here's what it is. Just redeemed my drink pass. Dad is waiting in line for some fresh cut fries. They happen to still be open, so. There they are. As good as you hoped they would be.
I'm glad it was open.
Yeah, right? That's gonna do it here from Cedar Point. Figured I'd finish off the video with some Christmas palms behind me. Millennium Aurelii, one of my favorite palm trees, you know, just based on looks. Anyways, it was a pretty great day. It really was. Got everything that I really wanted to get done without much of a weight on anything. And overall, it was pretty relaxed too. So definitely will be back soon. So thanks for watching.